Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. We are getting ready for swimming. I am tired, but we are doing it. Mia doesn't really want to, but she's gonna have fun once we get there because that's what we do every Saturday. From swimming, Mia didn't really want to go. She was cranky and crying, and mostly because she's used to getting up early because she has to get up early for daycare, and that'll be a whole nother time. I'll sit down and kind of talk about what it's like going back to work and daycare and everything like that, but she's used to waking up early, and then she just wanted to sleep, and we're trying to transition her to only one nap a day, so we're gonna see how it goes this weekend because she already went back to sleep for like an hour before swimming and she still was like rubbing her eyes and everything. So right now she's seeming okay. She's not seeming too cranky and she's just chilling. Are you gonna play? You wanna say hi? Say hi, Bee-Boots. Say hi. Say hi. What are you doing? That's not your remote. Your remote's on the floor. What are you gonna do? She's got one tooth coming out on the bottom and one tooth coming out on the top. So
total of 3.
She's gonna have 3 teeth. Oh my gosh. That's so crazy.
It's really grinding.
Yeah, she's starting to like grind them together and it is, ooh, like nails on a chalkboard. But we are home and we are going to have second breakfast because we already both had cereal.
Because you have to wake up so early.
Yeah, and now we're going to have like our full breakfast, you know, bacon, eggs, hash browns, the usual. Today is going to be, I don't know what kind of day. Because we're getting our fridge replaced, and I have a massage, and then it was Chinese, well, it is still Chinese New Year celebration.
Second day.
It's the second day. So, happy Chinese New Year, everybody. But, oh, she's trying to put my headband on. Yeah, you gonna do it? No? So, we don't know what we're really going to be doing. We're going to go out to eat. I don't know if it's going to be today or tomorrow for Chinese New Year. And then we are also, going to, well, Hoang wants to go take her to see the lion dance. But
we make it.
You don't think we'll make it?
Well, I don't know, because we'll see, because I don't know at what time they're going to do the lion dance. Before, in the middle, or after the celebration. Plus I know Pokey's
But it starts at 3, right?
Yeah.
At the mall? So they have them at a few different places, but we're probably going to head to the mall. Yeah, that's basically what's happening. I'm just watching YouTube. I'm just hanging out until I have to go for my massage. Hopefully this one will go down to nap soon. She's getting crazy. She was tired. I don't know if we should put her down. Yeah. Actually, you know what time is it?
It is 11:26.
Okay. So yeah, that's just what we're gonna do. We're gonna hang out, gonna eat, and we'll see what we get up to for the rest of the day.
Our landlord came by, dropped us. Well, I helped him took out the old fridge, and he put in the new fridge. I didn't realize the size of the new fridge until we pushed it to the wall. Don't mind the mess, it's just all the food that we had to take out of the fridge, the old one. But it is significantly smaller because it's a hand span. The width is that small. It was like, and then I just called Michelle and we were just talking about it. And she's like, oh my god, we had so much. She was thinking that the fridge we had before was kind of small, let alone now this. So we just really have to watch what we put in the fridge and kind of like not take up that much space and kind of like, I don't know, maybe weekly just to see what we use and what we don't and just check them out. Yep, that's about it. And she's done her massage. She's going to No Frills now. She's gonna get milk for Mia. And Mia's right here. She's been cranky all this time. I was gonna help the landlord put the fridge together and take the old one out, but she did not have it. She just like cried and whined, and so I just kind of managed to like feed her some snacks just to keep her entertained. But then, yeah. So now I gotta, I guess, wipe down this new fridge and put all my food back before it starts melting and falling out in this house. And we won't be able to make it in time for this lion dance at Mokville Mall, but I think they should have some lion dance at other places this weekend, so I'll check out what's going on Sunday. Sorry about that, just trying to keep an eye on the little one. Mia? No. Say hi. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna get back to putting all this food away.
Did you show them the new fridge?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys saw the new fridge. I got home and then we ate lunch and we've just been hanging out. But I thought I'd do a little Dollarama haul because I had to pick up something. And then I just saw a lot of cool things in there. Babysaur? So the first thing that I got is something for the baby. Isn't this so cute? It's like a little ball. It's got...
Like a beach ball kind of thing.
Yeah, and it's got a... Why, Beebs? It's got a little rattle in it, and so it's got letters and it's got numbers. So it's got A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. It's super cute. I think it's so cute.
For you.
What, do you like it? You like it? Oh, why are you pushing at mommy? Yeah. Ah, Mama! No! What? Here, Daddy's gonna take the tag off for you, okay? I also got this hat. I've been wanting a hat like this. I know, it is super cheesy and super, what's the word? Not the, what's, like, gaudy?
Oh, gaudy.
Yeah, but I wanted one. $4, so I like it. It's not gonna probably fit right now. Hey, look at my hat. What do you think of my hat, Wang? I wish it didn't have like the huge peace sign, but I couldn't find any that didn't have it. Oh, it's not good lighting that way. Hey, Huang, yeah, oh, that look cool.
Yeah.
And then I bought
TLC.
yeah, a bath mat because we were just talking about how maybe we're gonna start letting Mia bathe in the tub instead of in the little baby tub that she's in. So I bought this to go sit on the floor. And then I also got her some hair ties. I bought more. I bought some that are like the rubber band kind, but you know what? When they slip out of her hair, they're gone. They're lost. Like, you won't be able to find them. These ones are more like the reusable kind. And I feel like you can never have enough hair ties for babies. And I haven't been able to find them anywhere. I was so surprised I found these other ones at the other Dollarama I went to. So I figure there's no harm. You can't have too many. And then I bought these pillowcases they have. These are flannel. So I really like this one. I think it'll look really nice with the sheets that we have on our bed, because I feel like we always have to change the pillows we sleep on, but the other set we don't, so it's cool. And then I got this one, which is like a nice white and gray polka dots. So this is cute too, and these were $3 each. And then the last thing that I have here is these under eye pads that I've wanted to try these before, but I've never like known which ones to get. So this one is a multi-pack. It's got 9. That's it for my Dollarama haul. And then I went to No Frills, but I didn't get anything too exciting. What do you think about your ball, peeps? Play. Play with your ball. Go. Play. Are you shy? Are you too shy to play?
I just want to see yourself.
English.
There you go.
Let's play.
Dance. Oh no, that one doesn't have music, BBs.
Oh, really? You just put on number. Yeah, you put on number.
Learn.
Dance, beeps. Bow, 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 bow. Okay, let's dance. Dance.
Come on. Oh, press the button. No, you're just like...
Whoa.
Oh, what was that?
I don't know, she like growled, like, what happened? What do you think about that? He wants to find the string so he could smash it. Oh, whoa. Go get it, mama.
Yay!
Mia is about to have a bath because she needs a bath because we had swimming today. And then after her bath, we have to try to feed her. We're still working on her nighttime routine and schedule, like what time works, especially with her routine during the week for daycare and just trying to figure out what's the best time. So we're going to kind of fiddle with that over the next couple days and hopefully get into a new routine. But I anticipate by like 6:30, she's going to start to break down. So we want to get her bath in, get her cereal and everything before she starts to break down. So, we're pretty much going to end the vlog there. Say goodnight, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye.